I'm here at the Bantama Palace, where the kings are doing the revisions of this building. This building has been around for what, hundreds of years, and this is a location where the king Bantama used visioning the place. The queen would sit here. It's just what is left of it. They're revising it here in Bantama Kumasi. Just going through a quick tour. My dad's house is actually right down the street. If you take a look up here, the pillars, this is where everybody would sit, facing the king there. So in the meantime, they're revising it. When it's all said and done, this is where people can come in, give respects. Amazing. Quick little section here. This building goes back many years, as my he's here with me telling me. But yeah, a little bit of medieval design here. It's yeah, absolutely amazing. Yeah, got a lot of things to see. I'm seeing, oh man, who needs books when you have family? But yeah, all right, well, gentlemen, enjoy.